Hello everyone, we are from DJ Venture Projects. Today we want to show you unboxing and details of Tachometer. Hello friends, today actually I will show you that actually I was looking for a tachometer. Okay, as I showed you, so we'll search the tachometer. Okay, and we'll see how we have selected tachometer, and then later we'll unbox it. So tachometer, I have just searched tachometer here and in the Amazon.in as usual because their delivery and return policy is good. So this tachometer, I'm seeing there are a lot of type of tachometers, lot of tachometers and different type also. So you see digital contact type digital tachometer. So you have to contact it, and this non-contact type probably this has laser inside. Okay, this is display spark plug 244 stroke, meaning this is something different. So I'm not looking for what I'm looking for a tachometer which I can measure the RPM of a rating shaft for small projects that I'm going to make. Okay, this non-contact contact type tachometer. So there are a lot of tachometers. Okay, contact. So what we have, I'll show you what we have chosen. So this is one kind of gun kind of thing. This is also very good. Anyway, what I have chosen, I'll show you. So this is the tachometer, photo tachometer laser that I have chosen, and I purchased it for 1340 rupees, as you see, and I ordered it on 30th of August, and I got the material just within 3 or 4 days. So as usual, their uh, delivery is fast for this, but only, yeah, now we see the tachometer. It is 5 digit 18-inch LCD. This one, it has one switch, and this nothing much is written for this. Okay, what I saw is that this tachometer has a nice case, so I can preserve it well, and this range accuracy 0.05%, sampling time 0.5 seconds. So that is not much for me. Range select auto sweep and memory max. Okay, this has got that maximum value, minimum value, and last value, that memory. Okay, so when it is in variation or maybe different RPM means at that time probably it will give some advantage. So measuring RPM is 2.5 to 99.999 RPM. This is, I think, this 99 point, that is something wrong. Okay, because 19 RPM is nothing. Okay, so probably many things are rotating at faster than this. So, and this is resolution is 0.1 RPM to 0.5 to 999.5 RPM. So this is the correct one, I guess. Probably I will see that. Okay, and detecting 50 to 5 detecting distance. This is an important thing. 50 millimeter to 500 millimeters, so half meter to 50 millimeters. So that's how we have to measure it. See, for small projects is not a problem. You can place it as close as possible. But suppose you are measuring some pumps or something which is in overhead condition or in industry, that time you need to see how much within that half meter you have to reach. Okay, power 4 into 1.5 volt battery. So this is the battery we need to see. We'll check it. Power consumption 40 microampere, and dimension it's handy. So now I will unpack the tachometer for measurement of RPM. So I have ordered it from Amazon, and
This packing is actually very good, and they have given as usual Amazon's first delivery, as fast as possible they have given it. And now I'll open it. Have kept it. So now this is the digital tachometer, and microprocessor digital tachometer, this packing. So it's laser company Paragon Electricals. It is in Mumbai. Description: digital tachometer DT2234C. Links are in description, and it is 1850. It is MRP is mentioned 1850. However, I bought it in 1299. Okay, because of some discounts, and they have given their customer care ID. Okay, so now we have to open this. So this is the tape. Okay, so okay, this is the box, and here also they have very good packing. One thing I must tell, this item is having with very good packing, and this is gauge, yeah, so you can carry it, and digital thermometer operation manual. Okay, how to operate, we'll see how to operate after some time, and with some curves and all those things. Okay, so if I see this, it's also very good. I don't know, it is to make batteries. Okay, they have equipped with 4 Panasonic batteries. Water or some fluid is there. Now this is the drill. I will measure the RPM. So this portion I will measure. I will cut like this.
Please do subscribe and click on bell icon if you want to see more interested projects and detailed unboxing reviews videos like this. Thank you and bye bye for now. We'll see in next video.